Hey, this is Bill from Farland Classic Restoration. I want to take this 79 Porsche 928 out for a quick drive since the weather's nice today. Okay, let's take our 79 928 for a ride. Starts right up. These cars have a strange gear shift pattern called dogleg, with first over to the left and back, not where you think it is. So a lot of people start them off in second gear and think that the cars are kind of sluggish, but if you put it in first, they take off pretty well. Probably going to have some trouble with that sunlight coming right in there. We'll turn here in a second. These cars are very long-legged, so I'm just riding along here in second gear. There's no need for anything any higher. Nice smooth shift, smooth clutch actuation. Brakes on these are certainly four-wheel discs, but before ABS and a lot of our other technological helps or aids came along, but they sure do work well. Straighten out here, we'll rev it up a little bit. That's enough. Air conditioning is nice and cold.
The clock even works.
And the clock even works, so we know what time it is.
Alright. Thanks, Bill.
Sure.
Okay.
I'm going to take off from a stop so you can see where the clutch engages as soon as this car passes by. It was fully engaged before I let my foot up the rest of the way.